Hello everybody, my name is Svetoslav and I improve my eyesight naturally. In this video, I would like to share with you daily eye exercises to get rid of eye strain and improve vision naturally. There is nothing more difficult than doing simple things regularly. Soft blinking is one of the most helpful eye exercises that you need to learn as a habit to improve eyesight naturally. The correct way of blinking is just to put two fingers at the weight area and blink. If nothing moves under your fingers, you're doing everything correctly and softly. If any muscles moves, it means you're doing wrong. You need to blink every second to heal your eyes and reduce eye fatigue. Eyes will get necessary rest like our heart. With each heartbeat, heart works and get rest. With rare blinking, eyes don't get necessary rest and get tired. Blinking exercise, you can blink on every step while walking 100 times. It is a great way to develop a habit of blinking. Subscribe and check my other videos to improve your eyesight naturally.